And now we've got our strike plate and our screw, and we're going to put that in position. Holes look good. I'm going to put the screw in there. See, this would be more difficult to screw this in if it did not have that little pilot hole. So we'll just continue screwing this in until it gets just about the right tension. And then it looks like something's not quite right. I'm going to loosen up on it just a little bit and then move that over and then put the other screw in place, and then we can tighten them both down. So now I'm going to put this one in place. Whoops. Sometimes if the screw seems to be falling off, you can do this little trick where you hold your finger against the screw like that, and then you can jam it in and start it that way. So that screw is now started into the pilot hole with a Phillips screw. There we go. Okay, now that screw looks pretty good. The other one is not completely where I want it, but we'll see how that works. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, let's see if the door will open and close like we want it to. Well, that looks pretty good. So that's how you change out a doorknob on an existing door and adjust the hole, which was improper, and place a strike plate on the jamb. And you too can change out your own doorknobs.